Hi there, are you looking for some delicious and healthy cooking ideas for lunch today? Look no further, I'm here to share some mouth-watering and healthy recipes that are sure to satisfy your cravings and keep you feeling great all day long. Let's start with this healthy and eye-catching lunch idea. A bowl of quinoa salad topped with roasted vegetables, avocado, and a drizzle of olive oil. This dish is packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making it the perfect choice for a healthy lunch. Plus, it's easy to make and can be customized to your liking with different vegetables and dressings. If you're in the mood for something heartier, try making a two-person meal that's perfect for sipping a glass of wine while relaxing on the balcony. A simple yet delicious option is a stir-fry with brown rice, chicken, and mixed vegetables. The flavors and textures of this dish will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. If you're looking for something quick and easy, a simple sandwich made with whole grain bread, turkey, and a side of vegetables is a great option. This sandwich can be packed in a lunch bag and taken to work or school, ensuring that you have a healthy meal on hand at all times. No matter what you're in the mood for, there are plenty of healthy cooking ideas to choose from. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy lunch, a hearty dinner, or something to snack on, there are plenty of healthy recipes to choose from. So why not give them a try and see how they can benefit your health and your taste buds?